Hummingbird moth. Never seen one over here. Look at the size of it. Dang it. Flew away. Here it comes. Okay. Dang. First time I ever seen them. They're usually by the mountain over there, because there's a whole bunch of tiny little plants. It's all the way down there. Let's see, I gotta go this way anyway. That thing is huge. It's bigger than a hummingbird. I've never even seen them over here before in all these years. Let's see if I can get a good shot. It's not even... Wow, that one's the biggest I've ever seen. That's like as big as the largest hummingbird I've ever seen. It's trying to get in that flower that's not open yet. I'm gonna give you, when it leaves, how big that thing is. It's bigger than the flower that it's trying to get into. That's a cool thing that it came over here. They've never been here. Now there's a giant open one there, but it didn't want to go there. Now when I see them on the other side of that green building, there's an empty lot. They go in these flowers that are so small that they, I guess, use their, like their butterfly, you know, type, I don't know what it's called, that unravels and takes the nectar out. It's coming back. Just went across the street. This is the first one I've ever seen. Usually they're in swarms. Here it's coming again. Usually they're in swarms and you can get up really close to them. But this guy's a little bit sketchy. So anyway, there's these bushes with tiny little flowers. I don't know what they are. They smell like candy. And they swarm by like 10 to 20 in a group. When I first walked out there a few years ago, I said, holy hummingbirds. Then I got up close and I said, that thing's a moth. So I thought I found something new that was never discovered. So I looked online and it turns out they're like normal. So, oh, it's coming back again. Let's see, I'll stand here. If he comes back, he's on my right hand side. So I'll see if he comes back. I just wanted to give you, here he comes, nope. I want to give you perspective. That's the size of this flower. And he's bigger than that flower. Here he is. See? Whoa, that thing that he's putting out is huge. Oh, I hope that you can see it on the camera because it's not coming in good. No wonder why. He is taking it from that flower. Holy cow. I don't think my camera is performing that well. Thing is the size of a bat. And that thing that's coming out of his nose is literally 5 inches long, at least 6 inches. Because he's poking, holy crap. He's about 3-4 inches from the flower, and that thing is gone. Wow, that's awesome. And that he's like 3 or 4 inches from the flower, and he put it in the flower, and he had to put it in probably at least 3 inches. Man, that is so awesome. All right, I gotta finish watering stuff. I'm gonna just see here. He's on the corner over there. I tried to look at him and the video, and it looks on the video you can't really see how beautiful he is. He looks like a tiger, like a spotted leopard or something like that. He's back around. He's on the ground trying to get the flower that's on the ground. Wow. I've never seen him here, and I've never seen him alone. So that's really cool. All right, that's it. I think he's done for now. Wow, now I know he's out here at this time. All right, love yous. Bye.